Hey, welcome back, Buckeye Nation, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is 7 July the 13th. Of course, if any of you remember the Pogo cartoons in the newspaper, well, Pogo, you always used to say, always get excited because as he would say, Friday the 13th is on a Tuesday this month. And then he'd get all excited. Anyway, of course, it's kind of hard to get excited over the Ohio numbers because of all the shenanigans the governor's office has taken place as far as COVID-19 observations. In case you missed the big news back in February, the governor's office came out and said, well, deaths, COVID-19 deaths were undercounted by close to 4,000 during the fourth quarter of last year. Interestingly enough, they didn't appear to have any problem counting cases. Okay, so in the governor's office's infinite wisdom, they decided the solution to the problem was to take those missing 4,000 numbers and add them onto February 11th, 12th, and 13th. So as you'll see, what I do here is that I replace those three dates with just the average number of deaths, and then on top of that, I put in I put in I put I put a 7-day moving average on top of that. And of course, before we do get started, I have my favorite ask as always. Click on that share button. Share this video with your friends and family today. You can also click on share it on Facebook and Twitter. You can copy and paste the link into an email or a text message and share the news, the COVID-19 news, with your friends and family today. Okay, Buckeye Nation, let's get on with the report. Okay, so, and this is what the reported, or not reported. This is what the recorded numbers were for February 11th, 12th, and 13th. Now look at this. Look where the rest of these numbers are. We've got this massive spike up here. So again, I calculated a daily average for these 3 days, and once we calculate the average, we're back down. Now this is probably, well, here's the thing. This is lower, so we had a spike up to here, okay, for these 3 days, and a decline. So these may not be that far off because of this number here, okay? And you can see the 14th was actually much lower. So what happens is this is the daily deaths, the raw data. Notice the minus one point we had a minus a negative 400. Then we have these numbers over here. Somewhere in here is probably those 4,000 numbers from back over here. Some summary statistics. The maximum deaths reported is what? 752. Okay. The average is 32. The lowest is negative 598, plus first and third quartiles. Okay, now here's this 7-day moving average on top of COVID-19. This is from December 1st of last year when the problem started, continuing up to the current date. You can see a downward trend, a continuing downward trend in COVID-19 deaths in the state of Ohio. Daily cases, the raw numbers, and the 7-day moving average for cases. Again, a long declining pattern down to here. But now it appears to be leveling off a little bit, but the numbers are still remaining lower than December numbers, okay? So the best news, well, the good news is pretty good. It does appear that both cases and deaths on a daily basis are continuing to decline in the state of Ohio. So that's the best news so far. Anyway, hi, Buckeye Nation. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button, the like button if you find this report useful, and most important of all, don't forget to click the share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts today. You can also copy and paste the link to this video into an email and or text message and share it with your friends and family that way. Thanks so much, Buckeye Nation. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.